Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. I just picked up a few swimsuits from the brand Salt & Coco that I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys what they look like. Salt & Coco is a new swimwear brand based out of Los Angeles, and they hand make all of their swimwear in Bali. They just came out with their first collection of essentials of bikinis and one pieces in a range of neutral colors. You guys know how much I love neutrals, so it's pretty hard for me to pick out which styles I wanted to buy, but I wanted a good selection of the different silhouettes and colorways, so I did pick up a few pieces that I'm super excited to wear this summer. So this is what the swimwear comes packaged in this zip pouch that says Essentials on it, which is the name of their very first collection. And I love this pouch because you can reuse it, especially when you travel to pack or store your bathing suits. So in the pouch, there's a few stickers in it with branding. So it says Salt & Coco in black and white, these small ones and these bigger ones. And then the swimwear comes with these hang tags that say Salt & Coco on one side, and then on the other side says Essentials, handmade with love in Bali, Indonesia. So the first item I got are these basic bikini bottoms. This one is the Rider bottoms in stone gray in a size small. So for all the swimwear, I got a size small on the bottoms and a extra small on top. And for the matching top, I got the hazel top, also in stone gray, size extra small. This one has minimal coverage, but what I like about it, it has a lot of extra string, so you can kind of customize it and crisscross it in the front or the back, so it's really versatile. One thing I really like about this brand is that everything is seamless and hardware free, so it'll be really comfortable on and very easy to put on as well because you're simply just tying it to put it on. And then for my second bathing suit, I got the same Rider bottoms, but it's in this taupe like skin colorway, and this one is in the size small as well. And then for the top, I got the Alana top in size extra small. This one has a little bit more coverage than the other one, and it has a crisscross back and also has a long string. This one is not as long as the other one, but I think you can still tie it around to crisscross in the front or back. And then what's great about this one, it has a scoop neckline and then a stretchy like band underneath that's kind of like a underwire for support. I also got the other bikini bottom style. This one is called the Riley bottom in white. This one is more of a cheeky fit and then has thin straps on the side. And for the top, I got the Ashton top in white. This one has the most coverage out of all of them so far. It has a crisscross in the back, and then there's no adjustable strings, so this bathing suit top will really just keep everything in place. I also got two one-piece bathing suits from the line as well. This first one is the Lexington one-piece in stone gray. It has a clasp up here at the top. It's a V-neck high-cut swimsuit and it has an open back. The other one piece I got is the Wren one piece in white. And what's really cute about this one, it has this crisscross detailing on the side here where it's adjustable. So if you want it to kind of sit higher up on your hip, then you can just tie it tighter here. And then it also has a scoop back with a crisscross in the back as well, and then a V-neck in the front. So for prices, the bikini tops and bottoms, they range about like $45 to $50 each. And then for the one pieces, they retail at $70. I typically see other brands selling each piece for $100, which makes it $200 for a bikini, which is not something I want to pay for. So I can justify spending $100 for a complete set, especially if the fit is good. I really love supporting brands that have a heart and story behind it. I think it's super important to feel good about the things that you buy, and this brand is one of them. I also know the brand is very into philanthropic work. They've recently raised about $2,000 to feed the homeless animals in Bali. And I read that the reason why they wanted to produce their goods in Bali is because they wanted to make their products ethically handmade. I also heard that they want to use sustainable materials in their future collections to produce their garments, which is really awesome. I'm also very happy with the colors that I picked out. This neutral color palette is great because these swimsuits will last me a long time since they're not going to go out of style. They're just basic essentials that I should have in my swimsuit wardrobe. I'll leave the links for everything that I purchased in the description box down below, as well as the brand website and the Instagram, so you guys can check that out. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.